Look what I found at the Dollar Tree. I saw Kay Lilia, and I'll put her uh, YouTube channel in the description box, but I found the metallic nail pen that she was displaying in her video. So I finally found one at the Dollar Tree. And we're going to test this out really quick. Press it down on a piece of paper towel to see if it's going to come out. There it goes. Okay. Let's see how this is going to work, y'all. I'm curious. I'm going to take this mani off later, but I just wanted to see how it's going to work. Oh, wow. That was easy. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. Make your lines. Okay. Come on. I may have to go get another one, y'all. Okay. It wasn't easy. Let's see. Okay, I like that. Wow. Let's see. We could make swirlies. Okay. I give this one a thumbs up, you guys. Wow. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So if you see this at the Dollar Tree, pick it up. Let's see how it's going to work if I put a top coat. And I'm just using paparazzi. It didn't smear. It did not smear. I give this 2 thumbs up, y'all. Make sure you check out the Dollar Tree for this metallic nail pen. It works awesome. And this is by B Color. Check it out.